Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be doing full makeup using very affordable and reachable products. Let's enjoy the video. So here I'm doing the eyebrows. I've used the normal elegant concealer. The under eye you use brighter concealer, not that brighter than your skin. One shade or two shades brighter is okay. So next to the other eye. Make sure you are precise. We're almost done with the under eye. I'll blend the concealer and do the upper eye, upper side of the eyebrow using a foundation. Foundation that is kinda your shade of skin, so that it will be easy to blend. Precision. So you can see it's almost the shade of my skin, so blending is so easy. With the other eye. Prime the eye before you apply the eyeshadow. All these products are affordable, very affordable products. If you, for example, if anyone living in Kenya, Nairobi, the products you can find in Dubai is very affordable. I'm applying a transition color. Starting with the outer corner of the eye, so that I blend well, increasing the pigment slowly and blending. Blend, blend, blend. So I'm adding a shimmer here, a darker color at the outer corner of the eye. Blending. Now I'm going for a sunset look for the eyeshadow. So that is kind of an orange red. You apply and blend. Then I applied the yellow color in the inner corner, a sunset look. The trick of the eyeshadow is blending. Blend, blend, blending. Blend the three colors in. Make sure there are no harsh lines. That is a compact powder. I used it to clear. There shouldn't be any harsh lines, so I use the powder to blend. To blend the upper part of the eyeshadow. Blend, then I went on and put the lashes of camera. It's time to apply the foundation. I didn't like this foundation, even though in the end it's blending well. Let's keep moving. So blend with a wet beauty blender. A wet beauty blender. So make sure you blend well. Blend in. At the forehead, you only need a little foundation. A good concealer. I'm using the Elegant Pro Concealer. Reachable products. I'll write in my description below all the products I've used, just in case anyone wants to purchase them. So the foundation I kinda look white, but as you're going, will blend everything. Use the compact powder to set the foundation and the concealer. And now making the bronzing the nose part of the bridge of our nose to make it pop. Yeah, that is how it is done with the compact powder, the darker shade. You can also use it for contouring. Yeah, that is a blush. Little blush to make it easy to blend. That is a highlighter. Apply them on the cheekbones, under the bridge of your nose. And that's the forehead, just to give it a highlighting look, a shimmery look. Went ahead and added another highlighter just to highlight the cheekbones well. You can see the foundation has now settled well. Now spraying to set all the makeup in, to set everything in well. I'm using the LA Girl setting spray. It's time for lipstick. I'll start by lip lining. We're going for a red lipstick. You lip line very well and neatly. Then on top of the lip liner, I go in with the red, the kinda dark red lipstick. We're doing an ombre lippy. I'll use the compact lippy to prep for the other lippy, for the lighter lipstick, the red lipstick, so that it can come out with the color that I want. So I went ahead and prepped it first. Then I applied the lipstick on top just to blend it well. I got the color I was looking for. Yeah, it's looking good. Blend the lippy, blend the lippy. Went ahead and clean out the lipstick so it can be precise and sharp. This is the final look, guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.